So I'm just about to hit the road and head on over to the Malle Mile. Might be having my first ride on a Harley Davidson this weekend. They've got a few bikes up there, and I think I'm going to enter them into a couple of the races this weekend. It was chucking it down about half an hour ago, so the roads are really wet. I'm in my waterproofs. Hopefully it's dry for the rest of the weekend. Okay, so this is the Street 750 that I'm going to be racing in the sprint and the hill climb this weekend. It's got a street rod front end, knobby tyres, renthal bars and a chain conversion. It's going to be the first time I've ever ridden a Harley Davidson.
Record holder, the youngest man to solo navigate a motorcycle around the world. Put your hands together for Henry Chris! Or don't. Sounds more like
the handful. That's good, yeah. empty.
That was hectic, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was out the seat.
Got into a rut and it just wheels bad and it picked up.
Yeah.
Right at the tempo.
Yeah, and then couldn't find second gear going.
Yeah, we saw.
Yeah.
The commentator was taking the piss. So, go on Henry, there's more than one in there.
It's good fun though, they're wicked.
One looks a bit dusty.
Yes. From being behind the whole time. Thanks so much for joining me at this year's Malle Mile. I finally got most of the dust out and managed to clean most of it off my jacket. I had such an awesome time, and I have to say a massive thank you to Harley Davidson UK for letting me ride a couple of their Street 750s over the weekend. They were great fun to ride, and although they were a little bit of a challenge getting up that sandy hill, it was great fun. Awesome bikes. Thanks so much for letting me borrow one, and thank you for tuning in. Hope you've liked this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.